Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to shop online and split payments later? Klarna's one-time card is a great way to do just that. Let's show you how to use it in the UK. First of all, open the Klarna app on your phone and log into your account. Tap on the Shop tab at the bottom to explore the stores available through Klarna. Select your store and then tap on Create One-Time Card to generate a virtual card for your purchase. Enter the total amount you want to spend and choose a payment plan. Klarna will provide the card details. Copy the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Then head to the retailer's checkout page. Paste the Klarna one-time card details at checkout just like you would a regular credit card. Once your purchase is complete, you can track your payments and manage your plan in the Klarna app. And that's it. Klarna's one-time card makes online shopping easy with flexible payments. Try it today. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.